best, who that?
It's Nico.
Nico? Yeah, me bleach hard last night, you know. The sun come, yo, just hold on.
What?
What up, Nico?
Hey,
Love to see the man, you know. Want to my man, Roman.
Roman. He's okay. He's still waiting for his big break, eh?
Big break. Sure. I promise I'll comfort to a fool, you know, Nico. A boy for creep before him can walk, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's go for a little drive. Come. Yo, I have a deal for make, you know. I have to go down to Saratoga Avenue in Willis. The man taking this wheel, this herb don't do too well for my honor, my eye coordination. You sure you don't want some?
I'm sure.
You might not keep the windows closed. Keep the ganja in the car. Hot box, see it?
So what's the deal?
I'm buying some color off a new sauce, you know? Don't know if it's all this herb, but I'm major paranoid, I don't trust them.
Who arranged this deal?
Some harbor shot in the crew. Bad man know them a long time, but I think them faced it. And if this goes wrong, I don't know what kind of shit bad man going to lay upon them door, you know?
You think this is a setup?
I don't know. Been smoking hard, you know. It fucks with my brain a little. Make me think all type of shit. I dread you don't trust yourself, can't trust no one else, see? You can't. Go around the back in case one of them try to get jumped and run off with the ganja. Keep out of this vehicle, we might need to get out of here quick. Sure, they didn't have no stuff, you know, they tried to take my car in. I still got it though. Finish them if them try to come out the back. I got the front covered. Everything crashed, Virgin, run, yeah? Yo, go on, get down. Don't tell me. The man them need cover. See them, watch the man them shot fire now.
I got them.
You're a real bad man, you know, Nico. Respect. Forward of Savannah Avenue in Meadows Park. You're a bad boy, Nico. I don't know what I will be doing without you, you know. But I must say I got to get the blood clots to set I up.
All right.
Drive while I black up some more, you know, brother. The Ross Clay, I think he can call a bad man. The fool. It's a dead. Here we be. Are you with me, brother?
Yes.
We're gonna put some road boy in the ground. All right, bro, get behind me. All right, you ready? We're gonna set this place on fire to blood clot. We can't get the shot on the boy. I see him! Get it done! Ricky, you see it? And I get them all. Yo, make we broke out here. I think some more soon turn up. Cho! Them too late to stop I and I. Bring us back to the cafe and thing. Real bad man gonna be happy with this and thing. Jano. Thank you, my brother.
Don't mention it. It was a pleasure.
I look out for bad man like how you look out for Roman.
He's my cousin.
Blood be the thickest band there is, you know? Light is not always an easy thing in a style. Bad man tell me, say, yo, Jacob, kill him. Jacob, shoot that, etc., etc. He ain't always logical, but I follow. See? The other day, him called stab a man for giving a screw face.
Orders are sometimes hard. You must be sure you agree before you follow. I have made that mistake myself a long time ago.
For real. I know you're right, you know, brother. You're there. Thanks for everything. Keep you say something and say, yo, we appreciate your assistance, see? Me talk to you soon.
See you later.